Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn if statement. Very clearly, we are going to initiating this if statement lecture here. So let's see, we have a basic skeleton of HTML page where we are going to be writing a script tag inside a body. Here p tag we have prepared. So these p tag we are accessing by writing the JavaScript element of get document.get element by id. This id is nothing but paragraph id. So by pressing .inner.html, if we are assigning something to the particular JavaScript program output to this element, it will be assigned to this id. This id is going to be mapping to this paragraph tag, and we will get in browser in the output. So this is the code part, and the right side part it is in a browser, which is the code we are going to see the output very quickly to save more time. So let's see, by writing the if statement, very simple statement. So writing if, that's it. This is in a syntax we have to define here. So if, like simply take like a new date method. This is the built-in predefined method dot get hours. There is a method called hours is less than 18. If it is the condition, if it is written in this way, here we are writing something like this document.get element id. I'm going to specifying inside this if block. Yeah, here I'm going to writing this block of code. Now what I'll write here, let's say a simple statement I'll write for like good evening. Okay, so let's see, if I run this, if it is 18 below, it will be call it as, it says that good day, not good evening, we'll call it as good day. Okay, below. If it is more than 18, we can say that it's a something else like a good evening, such a information we can get. Like by default we'll get like a good evening, good evening. Alright, the paragraph tag is having this information. Okay, that information paragraph is having, let's see, save it. So good evening we are getting. Now based on the if condition, it is making move to good day. Save it and reload. So it is a below 18 only. The hours when I am doing in a lecture recording, it is a below hours only. So we are able to getting a great response with the JavaScript. It is going to be verifying it's a verifying below to 18 hours. So it is making good day. How it is simple. Or else we'll get maybe we may put this time is maybe 1 hour. Let me check the 1 hour. It's afternoon I'm doing this. So reload the page. So the good evening as it is the paragraph text only, here it is. There is a not changed. So if it is maybe 20, we'll get again the good day. Save it and reload. So what happening here, the if new date is getting and get hours means this is the current system, my computer system, date is hours it is getting. From the date function it is getting hours, which is comparing is it under less than or greater than, it is comparing here with the 20 number static I have given. So this way, similarly like a if condition we can write very easily in this way. Let's say we can write like a else statement also very simply. That I will show you in the next lecture. Very simple. Okay, I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.